Talk to Daddy. Well, don't run into it. Say hi, Dad. Say hi, Dad. What do you think? What do you think? Aren't you a handsome little dude? You're a handsome little dude, huh? Yeah. Let's show him Ava. There's silly dog, Ava. Yeah, yeah. Talk to Daddy. You gonna eat your hand again? You probably gonna have much hands left. If you make it with some fingers and not nubs, you'll be doing good. Because they never leave your face. Nom 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 nom. Mwah. Mwah. Can you smile for Daddy? Can you smile for your daddy? Well, let's see it. That's not a smile.